Hey guys, so today I'm teaching you how to make meth slime. So the main ingredient in this to make the meth slime, well not the main ingredient, is this cornstarch. Got it at Walmart. I don't remember the price, but you know, it's cornstarch, so yeah. So you're gonna start off with some Elmer's school glue. You can use any kind of glue, but I just think that this works best. And I'm not making a very big batch, as you can see. Right. Then you're going to add the cornstarch. Be careful because the cornstarch can get very messy. Like very, very messy. Alright, so I've got all the cornstarch mixed in, and as you can see, I made a mess. So I'll just pick that up. I'll just pick it up with the slime after. And then I'm gonna go ahead with our activator. I'm just gonna use borax and water. You can use anything you want. I think borax works the best. Oh, that might have been too much, but yeah, whatever. Then we need the slime. Alright guys, so here's the slime. Now I'm just gonna mix in all the cornstarch. Alright, so I'm all done mixing in the cornstarch. So, as you can see, it's very matte. And the cornstarch did melt it down. So I did have to add more activator. And you can see that it spreads like butter. Like butter slime. So, I'm gonna try, and it kind of feels like mint. So I'm gonna try to color it like a minty green. I'm just gonna use this acrylic paint. I'm gonna use this and put like a tiny dab. Got it. That might have been too much, but let's just mix it in. Actually, I think it should be good. Okay, actually, this turned out to be a minty color, so that's good. I'm gonna call this mint gum. Comment down below if you have a different name. But thanks for watching. See you guys next time.